Good morning. So we're at Venture Island today. We're hoping that they will let us in. Our passes are about to expire, so let's go see if they will.
One long, angry line later.
So that was quite the experience getting in. They only had 2 people working at customer relations, and it was a long line. But they did rectify it. They gave us our tickets that they owed us rain checks for, and we were probably the fastest ones through.
All right, we made it in. We're gonna ride the Wahoo Remix and the Rapid Racers today. They're both new roller coasters that just came out last month, or not roller coasters, slides. And we're kind of excited because we've been watching them build it for over the last year. So let's go check them out. Our first ride is going to be the Wahoo Remix. We were told you could have up to 4 adults on it. That's exciting. We didn't know if I was going to have to ride with someone else. We're at the top. We can already hear the music booming in there, so it's going to be exciting.
Definitely get a lot more wet on that one, huh?
That was amazing. Now we're going to go on the Rapid Racers. The Wahoo Remix, that thing was awesome. My favorite so far. But let's see how this one holds up. We have our tubes and we're waiting now to go on Rapid Racers. You can go with either 1 person or 2 people. I'm out of breath.
Yeah, there's a whole racing element to it, but the line's kind of off.
Yeah, so but the weight limit is $250 for 1 person and $400 for 2 people.
20 minutes later.
These girls are going to do the testing of it to see if it's safe, because the ride broke down about 20 minutes ago, and now they're reopening it, and now they have to see if it's safe.
Apparently a tube was stuck. Thank you. Thank you. Yep, no problem. Go ahead, bud. You were neck and neck the whole time, and you flew past me at the end.
Yeah, I saw that. That was fun, but I think I like the Wahoo better. But that was really fun.
Yeah.
Did you hear me there? I was like, this is how we do it Mario Kart style.
So we came out to the parking lot. This was actually one of our tips. You bring a lunch and you eat it out here in the nice pavilion instead of spending, what was it, like, how much? $80?
Yeah, it sounded like they were $80. You got a discount if you go on the website, but a lot of people showed up saying the website wasn't working today, so.
Yeah, so
surprising.
And if you bring your own, you can bring a beer. Because this stuff costs how much?
It's like $12 a bottle or something like that in there, and it's not stuff that I drink anyway.
So, but
the whole point of this video was just to check out the 2 new slides.
yeah, we wanted to get out here. Our passes expired today, so we wanted to get out here and check out the new slides. They just came out last month.
Yeah.
And so they are the Wahoo, am I saying that right? Yeah. And the Rapid Racers.
Yeah.
What was your favorite?
My favorite was the Wahoo.
Yeah, so was mine. What about you, Nikolai?
Mine's the Wahoo as well.
Yeah, that ride was awesome. They played really cool music, and the best part is going backwards. So I think we're going to probably do that one again.
Yeah, maybe before we leave here, but
Yeah.
the rest of the day is just going to probably be relaxing and swimming around in
Yep.
low key.
So we were thinking, because this pass expires, and we were going to get another pass for a different park this year, but we have our road trip coming up here.
Yeah, so we have to kind of wait until that's over with.
Yeah,
And
we've been kind of mentioning it.
Yeah, we really haven't gotten into that, and you'll have to see our next video before we go into detail about it. But we do have a road trip coming up.
It's going to be amazing. We are seeing so many places. It's going to be amazing.
Yeah.
So, but I think that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and this look at these new slides, because they're really fun.
Yeah, they were.
Yeah. And
keep exploring.
Yep. And we'll see you on the next one.